welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Rissy and
Magic.
And today we are back with another video, the highly requested video that is the banana and Sprite challenge. So basically how this works is eat 2 bananas as fast as possible, followed by a full cup or 2 cups in our case because we have baby cups of Sprite. And then you vomit.
I guess you vomit. Yeah. Or try not to vomit or whatever. Some kind of chemical reaction happens.
That's what they say. So,
yeah, so we're going to try it out.
Yeah, well, I mean, there ain't nothing to it but to,
I like bananas. She doesn't like bananas, so we'll see how this goes. These are some big bananas too, bro.
Goddamn, they're hella hard to crack.
A little hard?
Just a little hard.
We do have our bags in case we throw up.
Ooh.
Wow.
Look at that. It's a big old
I want it to fall over, bro.
I really fucking hate banana.
Eat it!
Oh.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Come on! She doesn't like the taste of banana, so she's having a hard time swallowing it. Don't look at me and do it. That's just not sick. Look at the camera. Don't look at me.
Put it on your mouth. Come on, Magic.
Make myself gagged. Look. Bruh.
I ain't more than you, you jackass.
I put way more in my mouth than you did, bro. Obviously, I think I almost threw it up right there. Alright, almost done with the first banana. Eat the whole thing, come on.
This is such shit. I hate that.
Alright. No, we're not even there yet. Alright. We might not even need to eat 2 bananas, just 1 banana, and then we're gonna separate. Alright.
That's disgusting.
Hold on, you stop pointing.
Ew. I really don't like these.
Now drink it! Oh gosh, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little nervous. Oh no. Alright, we're good. We're good.
I don't like it.
What do you want? I gave you food. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Look at you. swallow the Sprite. I'm not gonna lie. That shit. I don't see this anywhere, but it's okay. Drink it.
Okay, but
Mhm.
do it. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's all right. Yeah. No. I can't even.
Oh God.
I think it would be. Look at your lipstick. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't feel good.
I think I'm gonna puke. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't feel too good.
Because I don't feel right. But it could just be an afterburn. Oh God. Yeah. Drink more, she said. Alright. Oh. Oh, let's try another banana. Oh my God. Come on. Come on.
Oh, it's really big.
Come on.
It's too big.
Oh, well, we can't go out like a suckers. I feel sick. I feel really sick.
I don't feel good.
I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Good, good. Oh my God. I don't think I can even keep eating this. Oh my God. It's gonna happen any moment. I can just feel it. Oh my God. I'm crying because I feel nauseous. And I'm trying so hard not to puke. It's right here. Oh God. Come on. Oh. Let me get this ready. I already know. So far, so good. But, oh.
Oh, fuck, that's disgusting.
I did not get it.
That's disgusting. Well, I'm definitely never eating another banana again.
I did not happen. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh! Go! Let it out! Oh, it's a lot! Oh. Well, there you have it, folks. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we post a video. Let us know what we should do next.
That was terrible.
Look, you made her cry! You made Magic fucking cry! I hate bananas! These are nasty!
Don't eat bananas and Sprite.